Hey everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to install Netflix on iPad Kids. So to do that, make sure guys you don't have any restriction on your iPad before installing the Netflix app. So you can check your restriction in your setting. Just go down, open your setting and look for the look for this option called screen time. And now here you will be able to see content and privacy restriction. Tap on it. And now you have to tap on this App Store Media Web Games, and from here you have to choose apps category at least 12 plus or 13 plus. So you can ask your parent if you are a kid, or if you are a parent, then you can change this setting from 8 uh, 9 plus to 18 plus or unrated. And once you do this, once you remove this restriction, now you can open your App Store app and search for Netflix. Netflix. And here you can see the app. Just tap on this get button to install this application. Verify. So it is asking me to enter my passcode, so just enter the email address and passcode and you will be able to install this. I don't need this application right now, but this is you have to just follow this instruction to install this app. Subscribe for more video guys. Till then, bye bye.